My grandfather, the Reverend Mike Parry, was born in Llanerchymedd, and my father, Dafydd, was the headmaster of Ysgol David Hughes, the island's largest secondary school. My mother, Bethan, taught here in Llangefni, so we have a proud family record of public service on the island, and I want to continue their good work.
Wales needs innovation, strategic sort of direction, and I'm voting for Aled as the next MP for Anglesey because he ticks all the boxes for me. And I'm sure that, together with Rina Pioret, Anglesey will be a better future tomorrow for the two men that we're going to sort of endorse, and I certainly endorse.
And just like my job is to make sure that Ynys Môn, that Anglesey has a high profile always in the Assembly and in Wales's Parliament. It's high time that in you we have a strong voice for the island at Westminster as well. You know, it's vital, we've got to have that voice.
In my job as a journalist, I got to meet and talk to many politicians, but I also wanted to make a difference myself. And it's only by joining Plaid Cymru that I could make a difference. Ynys Môn is being held back by Westminster's poverty of ambition. This is a rich island, rich in its heritage and its natural resource, but it's hiding behind the poverty of statistics. And I want to change that, and I want to make this an energy island, and an island which has real jobs for real people to keep people in their community.